Today, I'm bringing you guys a 1976 Oldsmobile Mega oil change. Let's get it. Alright, so to do the oil change, you're gonna need jack stands. You need the oil filter, you need funnel. This right here to take off the old oil filter. You're gonna need tools, sockets. You're gonna need oil and a catch pan. Push it in there a little bit more. Look at that. You will know when you get it because the car will move. Alright, we got the car up a little bit on the jack stands. Now I'm gonna get underneath. I'm gonna locate the drain plug. And then when I find the drain plug, I'll let you guys know the size. And I'll catch it when it's draining out. Alright, so here's your drain plug. Right there. And you're gonna put your catch pan right underneath. Because on this one, the oil comes out the bottom, straight out the bottom. Keep pressure on it with your finger. If not, it will just come out. And you wanna run the car, warm it up. I like to do it when the oil's pretty hot so everything comes out. See, I'm pushing up so that the oil won't come out really. But once you feel it pop, you'll know it's ready. Alright, there it goes. There's the oil. Alright, so we got all of the oil drained out. We got the oil filter removed. So now, you want to replace the plug. Clean it off as much as you can, just to make it look nice. Get it back in there. Twist it on there good. This screw don't really gotta be that tight either after you even do it with the tool. You don't really wanna fuck your shit up. Alright, that's on there. Alright, now what you wanna do is you wanna take this oil filter, apply oil around this rubber bushing right here. I'm trying to do this on my hand. And then you want to push it up, twist it on. That's what I'm gonna do next. Get a little bit of oil. That should be good. Like that. See how it's like shining in. Now you get back up under the car. Come over here. Like that. Alright, now we're ready to start filling it up with oil. Take the funnels, drop one in there. Make sure it don't leak. I'm doing this with one hand. Oh wow, this shit would do that. Fail. Dump in the new oil. Look at that. Clean. Alright, look, I brought y'all back on the last bottle of oil that I'm putting in just to tell you something I forgot to tell you. So when you're putting in the oil filter, how I said you want to put oil around the gasket, you want to do that, but also you want to fill it up halfway with oil, like brand new fresh oil, and then you want to install it. Yeah, I do oil changes on anything though, man. New cars, old cars, whatever you got, holla at me. You know what I'm saying? Your car might end up on YouTube too. This is my car personally though. This car is for YouTube. So I'm trying to do a little build with it. A little Cali build, bring back the 70 whippers. Alright, got everything back together down there. So now I'm about to remove all this from underneath. Alright, so I'll pour that shit out. This is what I was trying to see. Look at that. Oil pan clear. Look at that. A little bit of sludge and shit. I felt it to make sure it wasn't that much. That's oil. I thought the pan, you know what I'm saying? I don't want the pan to be full of metal and shit, man. I mean, that engine is trash. I spilled a little bit. Look, engine is trash. My shit is straight. Just pouring the rest in here. That's good enough for right now. I'm gonna try to find a jack from underneath this motherfucker. And this fat bitch parked so close. Nigga ain't playing. Fucking oil cap. Put that down a little bit. So, you know what I'm saying? Put this on there. Turn it to the left. This bitch right here is fat ass bitch. Like right there should be good. Show you how to apply this to the car to get both sides. Some niggas be out here in the world jacking shit up, fucking shit up. See that right there? That's the cross member. It's going up there. Alright, this is the last one. I'm gonna show you guys how to remove a jack stand. Push this up, falls down. Move it out the car. There it is. Now I'm gonna try to show you guys how to bring this car down. Nice and easy. Bring it down to the floor. There we go. Shoot back down. Let's get it. Here when it first starts. Cut it up. Let it run for a second. Nice. Real nice. It was. A lot of motherfuckers don't care about this right here though, but look, check this out. Oil, you cannot throw that shit in the trash. That shit ain't cool, bro. That's fucked up. The next video I do on this car is gonna be the exhaust. I'm gonna get it sounding right. Let y'all hear the V8. But for now, I'm finna pour this up in there. Hope y'all don't spill no shit. But yeah, we getting it. No leak. Yep, so that's it. 1976 Oldsmobile Omega oil change. That's all you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? Like and subscribe for more videos. I'll probably post another video today on my iguanas. I just got a new iguana. I got 2 iguanas now. Well, alright YouTube, that's it. Until the next video, I'm gonna catch you guys, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to try to put some gas in this car and take it for a little drive again.